Engine AI has launched mass production of the T800 full-size humanoid robot at a new high-tech factory in Zhengzhou, located in Henan Province. The production site, deployed on the territory of Yunzi Science Park, has become the brand's second major hub after the enterprise in Shenzhen and is designed to meet the growing global demand for autonomous humanoids. At the first stage, the complex occupies 8,000 square meters, but in the future, its area is planned to increase to 40,000 square meters, which will allow for a multiple increase in production volumes. The automated lines demonstrate impressive efficiency. Every 15 minutes, a fully assembled robot rolls off the assembly line, while not a single unit leaves the workshop without strict quality control. Each instance of the T800 passes 79 comprehensive tests and is subjected to 46 different operating scenarios, which guarantees the reliability of the device in real-world operating conditions. The very name of the model refers to the iconic image of the Terminator, emphasizing the exceptional strength of the structure. The body of the robot is made of aviation magnesium aluminum alloy, providing an optimal combination of lightness and resistance to loads. With a height of 1.73 meters and a weight of 75 kilograms, the T800 combines anthropometric naturalness with outstanding physical capabilities, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks in industry, logistics, retail, and services. The robot's mobility is provided by 29 degrees of freedom, and powerful actuators in the joints are capable of developing a torque of up to 450 Newton-meters. This allows the T800 not only to move confidently, but also to demonstrate complex dynamic movements. He's able to run at speeds of up to 3 meters per second, perform jumps, and also reproduce elements of martial arts, including kung fu-style kicks and flips, which emphasizes a high level of coordination and balance. For spatial orientation, the model is equipped with a 360-degree LiDAR system and depth cameras that form a detailed map of the environment in real time and allow you to accurately position yourself even in a dense urban environment or in a busy warehouse. The autonomy of the robot is supported by a solid-state battery with an active cooling system integrated into the legs, which prevents overheating under heavy loads and provides 4 to 5 hours of continuous operation. The first batch of devices manufactured in Zhengzhou has already been involved in various demonstration projects, from retail automation to traffic control to participation in autonomous robo-battles within the URKL League, Ultimate Robot Knockout League. The cost of the basic version of the T800 on the market ranges from $25,000 to $40,500. What do you think about this?